Hey guys, so I'm going to be talking to you about the UniWigs 6.5 by 7 Airy Elegance hair topper. So here it is. I got it in the color Mousse Brown. It's a beautiful color and you can see the highlights right here. And there's the lace with the knots. You can barely see the knots as usual. I like to say melting the skin. And I've got the halo wire in there, which I attached in here. Now, before we put it on top of our head, we'll get the hair tie. So I put my hair in a ponytail. There you can see I've got a decent amount of hair loss. So this is perfect hair toppers if you're experiencing hair loss, if you're experiencing hair thinning. So it's a great option so you can feel like your best self. So you can feel like yourself again. And you're gonna get this wire here, and then you're gonna put the wire underneath the ponytail. Take the ponytail down, and then you will be taking it out. And then find the placement and try to get your wig topper. It's either, if you wanted to sit further back, you can to blend it in, but I like mine to sit right at the hairline. Beautiful, wonderful hair color. I love this hair color actually. Love those highlights. And then you take out the hair tie. There goes the hair tie. And there you go. Like, it's so easy, and look how easy that was. I also will show you that you could put it in a ponytail. Get the hair. It's very easy to do. It's not sliding anywhere. Tug, 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 tug. It's not sliding anywhere. It's not going anywhere. Look how flat and look how realistic it looks right now. It looks so realistic. It looks like my own hair. So it makes me feel like me again, which is why I love wearing wig toppers and wigs. And then some days I'll be like, nah, I don't feel like wearing anything because I've started to accept my hair loss. And it took me a long way to get there, but I did in the end. There's nothing to feel ashamed of. It doesn't define your beauty. But there you go, in a ponytail. See how easy that was? There you go. And the same thing applies for when you take it off. Super easy for when you take it off. But yeah, there you go. And ultra breathable, doesn't even feel like I have it on. It feels like my own hair. So yeah, make that change for yourself and purchase a topper because it is life-changing and you won't want to go back. Thanks for watching.